Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple easy hairstyles. For that you have to tie the hairs and then rotate it like this. Divide the hairs and then rotate it. Now make the plaits on all sides and then fix it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next tie the hairs on the back and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs and make the plaits on odd sections of the hairs like this. Now fold them upward and fix it on the alternative sides. Tie the hairs and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail. Fix this bun clip. Now roll the hairs around it and tie it. Now again repeat the process. Fix it by making the plaits. Roll it upward like this and your hairstyle or the bun will be ready. Next, tie the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs. Make the plaits on the old sections of the hairs. After tying the hairs, we will fold them upward and fix it. Roll it properly for 3 to 4 times like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back by making the plaits like this. Leave few section of the hairs aside. After making the plaits, fold the hairs upward. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it and fix it using the hair clips and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back and then rotate it. Now pull out the hairs little bit as shown in the video. Now repeat the process for few more times. Fix the hairs in the same manner. Pull out the hairs from the sides one by one. At the end, tie all the hairs like this and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back and make the plaits like this. Now take the hairs one by one and make the plaits. Now take the hairs from the sides, join it like this by making the plaits on the right side like this. After tying the hairs in the same manner, fold it like this together upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now divide the hairs into 3 sections like this and then make the plaits on each section of the hairs as shown in the video. Join them and fold it upward and fix it using the hair clutch. Tie the hairs upward and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now tie all the hairs, roll it upward like this, fix it and your bun is ready. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it. Divide the hairs and again fold it upward like this. Now tie the hairs, divide it from the between, fix it over the bun and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now fix this bun clip with the hairs. Now roll the hairs around it and then fold it upward like this in the sewn manner. Fix it and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs on the back by making the plaits like this. After you are done with the plaits, we will fold the hairs upward and fix it. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it and fix it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Divide the hairs, fold it upward by making the plaits like this. Fix it properly. Now fold it upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it like this. After rotating the hairs, tie it using a rubber band, put the hair clip over it and it's done. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it and make the plaits on it like this. Fix it by rolling it upward and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back by making the plaits. Now take the hairs like this, fix it by taking the hairs from the sides, join it one by one, pull out the hairs from the sides and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail. Now divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now fix it on the top, divide it and rotate it like this. Fold it upward and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it. Roll it around and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.